Good morning, everyone. Welcome back, students. I am Akshita Madan. I am your science teacher. In our today's lecture, I am going to tell you about importance of science and science topics which we will discuss in this standard and one motivational poem. So let's start why science is important and how we can use science everywhere. You see, at your home, in watch, TV, fridge, mobile phone, everywhere we use science. And this is also helpful in making new inventions or making models like torch, other purifier, boat, car, which you want to like to make, you can make very easily. With the knowledge of science, you can prepare everything at your home very easily. So, let's start. What is science? Science is the process of observing, asking questions, and finding things out about the world around you. And the process is called the scientific method. Means in science, we learn by doing activities, learn by nature, learn by the world around you, learn by the things around us. When, for example, when you see different plants in your surrounding, you can see and observe all are different and their leaves, flowers, roots all are different. You see, in some plants, leaves having parallel venation and some leaves having reticulate venation. So, like this way, you can learn by observation or finding things out about the world around you. So, this is science. And science is a special knowledge which is not a bookish in nature. This special knowledge is applied in every aspects of our day to day life. You can use this knowledge in your day to day life. Means you can make models, you can make projects very easily, and science is attached to human beings from birth to death. The utility of science starts from the ringing of alarm clock. Ringing of alarm clock is due to the science. At present, far is not far away, it is too near in our grip. Means we can do everything with the help of science. We can invent, we can make anything. If you want to make boat, car, or water purify, you can make very easily with the help of, with the knowledge of science. So, next is branches of science. Branches of science are physics, chemistry, biology, earth sciences, and space sciences. Now we'll discuss one by one. Physics means physical science, physics or physical science, and which involves any of sciences that analyze the nature and properties of energy and non-living matter. Means which tells us about the properties of energy, about non-living matter, or about any machines like boat, cars, about nature. Okay. Next, examples of some physical science means gravity and friction. When we walk, when we stand on the ground, this is due to friction. This involves in physical science. And when flower or fruit, flower or fruit fall on the ground, This is due to gravity. And about temperature, fire, ice, gears, and machines. This is all involves in physical science. Next one is chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of the composition, structure, and property of matter, means the processes that matter undergoes and the energy changes that accompany these processes, means in which simple language in which we discuss about chemicals, related to chemicals, and in which we study about solid, liquid, and gaseous state, and anything that has volume and takes up the space about solid, liquid, and gas, and pure form and chemical combinations about all these. And all matter is composed of atoms, means atom, then atoms combine become molecules, then more atom combines become macromolecule, then organelle, then cell, then tissue, then organ, after that organ system, and then organism. So chemistry, in mainly chemistry we discuss about chemicals. You see some examples, these are involved in chemistry: soap, shampoo, detergents, all involve included chemicals, means with the help of chemicals we can make soap, shampoo, detergents, cosmetics, even insecticides, pesticides, and paint. All these involved in chemistry. Next is biology. What is biology? The study of life, means in which we discuss about life with structure, function, that is biology. Bio means life and logy means study of, means the study of life is known as biology, means it is the branch of the science that deals with structure, function, growth, evolution, and distribution of organisms. All our internal organs functions or growth involves in the biology, means all bacteria, fungi, life cycle of butterfly, any animal involves in biology. And these are some examples that involves in this type of science, branch of science, biology. Next is earth science. Any of several essential geological sciences, means related to earth, geography, geological sciences that are concerned with the origin, structure, and physical phenomena of earth, that involves in earth science. Next is space science, related to space, astronauts, other physical bodies occurring in outer space. These involve in space sciences, related to space. Space science encompasses all the scientific disciplines that involve space exploration and study natural phenomena and physical bodies occurring in outer space, such as space medicine and astrobiology. These are about space science. Now, during these days, one important talk, please listen carefully. You have to remember one thing while you study or doing any work. Wash your hand with your soap at least for 20 seconds, and otherwise you use sanitizer. And please don't afraid of anything and don't take any type of stress or tension. Only continuously care yourself and try to concentrate on your work and wash your hand like these ways. Water and soap, then rub palm to palm between your fingers, focus on thumbs, sack of hands, and focus on wrist also. So, like this way, you have to wash your hands and do regular exercise. Because while you're doing yoga or exercise daily, this helps to keep your body and mind healthy and fresh. Because there are so many benefits of yoga, we all know it helps to increase the flexibility, increases the life energy, and gives strength to the immune system, helps in digestion, and helps balances the body and mind. So, do yoga and exercise daily. So, yoga builds strength evenly in muscles, joints, and ligaments. And also, yoga prevents injury by increasing flexibility and strength as well as awareness of the body. And yoga also helps to reduce your tension, improves sleep, clears the mind of worry, and reduces physical tension. In yoga, you cultivate improved concentration. Your concentration power is also increased, and the ability to overcome the ego telling you that you can't do something. And these are some spring yoga steps, means while you can do this type of yoga by some postures like I am the sun, extended like a mountain pose. I am a tree. I am a flying bird. I am the falling rain. I am planting seeds. You can enjoy while doing this yoga. So, enjoy and doing yoga regularly. These are some steps to do Surya Namaskar, and this Surya Namaskar is very important. And these steps of Surya Namaskar involves every physical exercises. If you have no sufficient time to do more exercise, you can do only Surya Namaskar. Each and every step of exercise involved in it. There are so many benefits of Surya Namaskar. It helps us to relax our mind and gives the strength to body, improves our posture, improves flexibility, and helps to burn excess fat, helps us to build mental focus, improves our blood circulation, improves muscle tone, improves our functions of internal organs. There are so many benefits of Surya Namaskar. You can also do Surya Namaskar. So, let's come back to our topic. Science is everywhere. You know, in everything we observe, everything we see. So, science is everywhere. Science plays a very important part in our daily life. It has made our life easier and comfortable. With the help of science, see in your bulb, tube light, fan, mobile phone, everywhere we use science. And science has developed, invented, and discovered different mediums of communication like computer, telephone, radio, internet. They are very useful for us in our everyday life. And one more important example, that is electricity, that we use in our daily life. It when you use AC, other cooler, like, it gives us cool air and entertains us through cinema, TV, and radio. Besides lighting our houses, And modern life is impossible without electricity. Means electricity is must for us. So science is very important and use in daily life. So knowledge of science is must. And science has invented different type of machines. So you can, if you have know about science, you can make your own tools that are very useful for us in our daily life, like scissor, cutter, other materials you use. Now, side by side, some values of science is there. So now we start with our next topic, value of science in general and physics as particular. There are so many values developed with science. First is utilitarian values. Second is cultural values. Third is disciplinary values. Next is aesthetic values, moral values, psychological values, and vocational values. So let's start. We discuss one by one about these values. First is utilitarian values. Means all our activities are controlled. Every activity, moving bus, moving vehicle, any radio, TV, electricity, everything, all our activities are controlled, designed, and fashioned by science. Without science, we can't control. You can't able to stop alarm clock. Even science has entered in our daily activities also. Without science, our existence would become impossible. Standard of living, it is very essential to have elementary knowledge for becoming a useful, productive, responsible member of the community. Invention. So, all our activities are controlled, designed, and fashioned by this science. These involved in utilitarian values. Next is cultural values related to our culture, music and music instruments, our dance. It influenced our way of thinking and way of life. It changes our way of thinking and way of life. It also helps in developing your reasoning ability, and development of technologies has provided changes in the society by promoting new cultural model. Means new technologies has provided change in the society by promoting by change and promoting new cultural models. We must preserve and spread our culture. Our invention must not spoil our culture and future generation. So we can invent and make a better person. Next is disciplinary values. Disciplinary values involves control, willpower, action, or goals, thoughts, life, complete life. Science is an organized common sense. It has introduced us to new way of thinking and reasoning. It has introduced us to new way of thinking and reasoning. It makes people to sharpen their intellect and makes them more careful and systematic. Reasoning means it makes people more intelligent and more careful, and also helps in develop reasoning ability. And the science education will develop the positive attitude like open mindedness, logical reasoning. It helps in solving problems in life and to lead happy life. With the help of science, we can make anything to our need, according to our need. So it helps in solving problems in life and to lead happy life. These are all about disciplinary values. Next is aesthetic value. This is related to nature. Means knowledge of science develops in man a passion for truth, thus he has a passion of beauty. Means nature is storehouse of all beautiful things. There is no difference between art and science. Science is primarily unfolding of mysteries of nature, and teaching of physics is essential for developing aesthetic sense in an individual. Means knowledge of science develops in a person, in a man, a passion for truth, and he has a passion of beauty. If you become honest, everybody loves you. Next, moral value. Moral value means same as truthfulness or reasoning quality. Knowledge of science develops truthfulness and reasoning, and though such qualities may not make you a successful person, but these qualities make the life worth living. Means knowledge of science develop truthfulness and reasoning. Next is most important psychological values. Teaching of physical science is essential for developing scientific attitude, and science develop positive attitude such as open-mindedness, critical observation, reasoning, respect other point of view, everything. And this is only learning by doing, learning by observing. Science is completely depend on learning by doing and learning by observing. This is most important points. So next is our vocational value. Vocational value means this is related to your profession, means medicine, in medical, in engineering, in doctor, dental, agriculture, computers, everywhere we use science. Means science forms the basis of many of individuals of a purely vocational in nature, and thus prepares for a various professions like medicine, engineering, dental, agriculture, computer, etc. In agriculture, farmers use pesticides, insecticides, other chemicals for their for growing seeds, plants, and in medical science, doctors use other different chemicals to prepare their medicines. Engineerings in engineering also use machines, different type of machines, activities done by engineers. So science is very helpful for us, and in all professions science is used. So what's the conclusion? This is very closely associated with our daily life and world which surround around us. It is so useful for an individual as well as for the community as whole. We can't neglect it from our school curriculum. So science is very important. Science subject is so important. Without this, you can't able to make anything, make your projects, make your toys like boat, car which you want, like make a torch, your own torch. Okay, science is very important. So let's start. These are the chapters which we'll discuss in this standard. In first chapter, our first chapter name is Nutrition in Plants. First, we will start from this chapter, Nutrition in Plants. Nutrition in plants, you all know, you have learnt in your previous class about food. Means food gives us energy. You all know. And food is very essential for all living organisms. And you all also learned that carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals are components of food. And these components of food are called nutrients. You have already learned this. So, your work is you have to make a table in which you have to write which food enriched in proteins, which food enriched in fats, which food enriched in vitamins. So, name different type of foods and write the components, name of the components that including in that food. Okay. So, our next chapter name is Nutrition in Animals. Next is third chapter, Fiber to Fabric. Chapter number 4 is about heat. Fifth is acids, bases, and salts. Sixth is physical and chemical changes. Next one is weather, climate, and adaptation of animals to climate. Chapter number 8 is about winds, storms, and cyclones. 9 about soil. Chapter number 10 is about respiration in organisms. 11 is about transportation in animals and plants. And chapter number 12 is about reproduction in plants. Chapter number 13 is about motion and time. Next is electric current and its effects. Chapter number 15 about light. 16 about water, a precious resource. Everybody need water. Every work done with the help of water. Without water, we can't survive. So, water, a precious resource. Chapter number 17 about forest, our lifeline. Chapter number 18 is about wastewater story. These are 18 chapters which we have to complete in this standard. So, in our next video, we will start from chapter number 1, Nutrition in Plants. Now, one motivational story for you, and you can also share your favorite one motivational story. If you want, you can share. This story is about कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है. मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है. चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है. चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. डुबकियाँ सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है. डुबकियाँ सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है. जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट आता है. जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट आता है. मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती, गहरे पानी में मीन्स मिलते नहीं आसानी से मोती। गहरे पानी में बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में। मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो। क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन से त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। जय जय जब तक ना सफल हो तुम नींद चैन से त्यागो तुम, जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन से त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। मीन्स प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट। Don't lose hope. And also you can share one motivational poem. Now, these are some ways to de-stress. Means when you get stressed after studying, to relieve from stress, you can follow these tips. There are so many ways you can follow anyway. Means first is listen to your favorite music, stretch your body, do meditation, read that book which you like, dancing. You can call a friend, tell some jokes, and disconnect from technology. Look at a happy photo. Anything which you want to do, you can. Punch a pillow, spend time with your pets, practice yoga poses, sit in the sun, give yourself a neck massage, take a shower, kick a soccer ball. You can do anything, and by doing this, you feel relaxed and get your energy back to do your work. Means by doing some physical exercises. If you feel stressed after a long day of studying or after completing this session, you can reduce the tension by taking part in some form of physical activities. Like these physical activities including yoga, jogging, running, cycling, rope skipping, and dancing. These exercises will help you sweat off the tension and thus reduce any form of stress you might be experiencing after reading books. Or if you want to play some online games, this is also helpful to relax. Thanks to internet and modern technology developments, because many people around the world are able to play online games on smartphones, tablets, and computers. You also may take advantage of your mobile phone, laptop, and if you want to play some games, you can play some online games for a while. If you feel stressed after studying for long hours, generally the type of games you want to play will depend on your likes. Someone like racing games, someone like puzzles. You can play any game. But remember and take care one thing, don't play online games for long time. Only for few minutes you can play and you feel relaxed. Or you can do some breathing exercises also. You can also relieve stress by doing some breathing exercises. The best thing about these exercises is that they are so simple and you can do them almost anywhere without assistance. All you need to do is to take a deep breath and hold it for a few seconds before breathing out. Relax for a moment. So you can do this type of exercises repeatedly for a few minutes. Hopefully, you will be able to relieve some and all of the stress after repeating these exercises a few times. You can also do more breathing exercises. So, these are you can do breathing exercise to relieve from your stress, or you can do the things which you love. Means if you do want to do dance, you can taking part in competition, cooking, you can do cooking also, and things will work well if you choose your favorite hobby. If you want to play, you can play. So these are some tips you can do after your study to relieve from stress. You can follow these tips. Now see this figure carefully. Now one question for you. Can you find all 5 Y's? Y means alphabet Y, capital Y. You know about alphabets A, B, C, D, and capital Y is hidden in this image. In this image, you have seen all cross signs are there, and this cross sign is like capital X, alphabet capital X. Now you have to find capital Y, and in this figure there are 5 Y. You have to find 5 Y hidden in this image. So see carefully and try to find all the 5 Y's in this image. So this is all about importance of science, one motivational poem about exercises, yoga, and so wash your hands. Remember one thing. Repeat. I will repeat again. I'm repeating this. Wash your hand with soap at least 20 seconds and take care. Do exercise, yoga regularly and safe. Be safe. So we will meet in our next video, nutrition in plants. And one homework for you, you have to draw one picture of plant and describe all the parts of plant. Means leaves, stem, roots, flower, bud, every part you have to show, and you have learned this in your previous class also. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.